Hey, to lock apps on the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, first of all, you will have to navigate into the settings. Then you will have to start from this and you will have to start scrolling until you find security and the privacy. And now you should actually scroll down again and find app lock. When you tap on it once, you will have to first set a privacy password. So click on the settings. Now input the 6-digit code, but you can also use the different password type by clicking here. So in my case, I'm gonna add this 4 digits and I'm gonna use, for example, this simple password just to show you. If you have this information that password is too easy, just click to use and input it one more time. Now we can pick some security question and recover email. I'm gonna skip this because I'm not gonna forget this simple code. Now click that we got it. And as you can see, now we have to click on the switcher to turn on app lock. And right now you will have to select this switcher. For example, let's hide the Google, let's set the password on the Google Chrome. So tap on the switcher, and now when you want to open Google Chrome, you have to actually input your password. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.